Namo Drone Didi scheme is an innovative scheme by central government towards women empowerment. This is aiming to empower women-led self-help groups by equipping them with drone technology to provide agriculture services like liquid fertilizer and pesticides application. The scheme aims to provide drones to 15,000 selected women self help groups during the period of 2024 to 26 for providing rental services to farmers for agriculture purpose. This initiative is expected to generate an additional income of at least 1 lakh per year for each self help group, contributing to economic empowerment and sustainable livelihood generation. Coming to the key features of the scheme, first one is financial support and accessibility. Women self-help groups receive substantial financial assistance covering 80% of the drone and accessory cost up to rupees 8 lakhs. This support helps to mitigate the high upfront expenses associated with drone technology. For the remaining 20% cost, self-help groups can seek loans from the National Agriculture Infrastructure Financial Facility, that is AIF, with 3% interest subvention. Second is collaborative effort. The scheme collaborative venture between Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Rural Development, Department of Fertilizers along with lead fertilizer companies and other supporting entities. The convergence of resources from these departments ensures effective resource allocation, demand-based employment and sustained support for self-help groups in rural regions. Third feature is cluster-based implementation. Implementation of the scheme hinges on rightful selection of the area cluster or self-help groups in rural area under DAY NRLM where there is demand for drone to provide agriculture service. Thus, demand for the farmer based on certain commitment on their part of drone services will be evaluated for selection of the area or cluster, which will then become the basis for the selection of SHGs. Appropriate cluster where usage of drones is economically feasible will be identified. The fourth feature is specialized training for women self-help group members. This will be done through NRLM groups. Infrastructure and support for LFCs. LFCs play crucial role by bringing the gap between SHGs and drone manufacturing companies, helping SHGs in procurement, repair, and maintenance of drones. Additionally, they promote the use of nano fertilizers with the drones, enhancing efficiency in agriculture practices. Coming to the benefits of Namo Drone Didi scheme, empowering the women, enhancement of agriculture efficiency. Drone technology significantly enhances the precise application of pesticides and fertilizers, transforming traditional agriculture practices. Equipped with advanced GPS and sensor technology, drones can be programmed to follow precise flight paths over fields, ensuring even and targeted application. This precision reduces the overuse of chemicals, minimize environmental impacts, and lowering cost for farmers. Skill development and knowledge expansion in women, then community and networking opportunity. Women can connect with supportive network of fellow participants, fostering a sense of community and collaboration. They have the chance to join forums and workshops where they can share experiences, challenges, and best practices, enhancing their collective knowledge and skills. The operational guidelines and monitoring scheme operational framework is supported by robust government mechanisms. The scheme will be overseen by empowered committee of secretaries for key developments like agriculture, rural development, fertilizer, civil aviation, women and child development, ensuring comprehensive governance. Though the Namo Drone Didi scheme, the government of India is taking significant steps towards advancing agriculture practices while empowering women in rural area. This initiative aligns with the government broader goals of promoting women-led development and infusing technology into traditional sector like agriculture. Scheme promises to revolutionize farming practices, provide sustainable income source for SHGs, and inspire a new generation of women entrepreneurs in rural India. Thank you. Please subscribe to get more updates and